Good afternoon. We are Armando Mar, Juan Flores, and Iker Zabaleta, and we are going to present about Pascal's law and how can we prove it right or wrong according to an experiment that we made. But first, who was Archimedes? Archimedes was a scientist, and between his many discoveries, he discovered the Archimedes principle, which is mainly to measure the mass of an irregular object using the water. Archimedes discovered this thanks to the king, since he assigned him to measure the mass of his crown to make sure it was only gold and nothing else. Archimedes thought about this task for a while, and since the crown was irregular shaped, it was really difficult to measure its mass properly. But one day he entered the shower and he discovered the answer, and while he did it, he screamed Eureka! He observed how the water level changed when he entered the water, so he tried and made the same thing with the crown, trying to measure how much water it was out and how much water stayed in. So by that way, knowing how much was the mass of the crown and knowing if the mass corresponded with the gold weight. Now we're going to review the Pascal's law. The Pascal's law implies that pressure applied to a fluid in a closed container is transmitted equally to every point of the fluid and to the walls of the container. So, in other words, doesn't matter where you pressure something, the water will distribute equally as shown in the video. Since our purpose was to prove this right or wrong, we made our own experiment. Our experiment consists in pushing water on one side of the experiment and seeing if it comes back up on the other. If this does, it means that the forces of the water are distributed equally, proving Pascal's law right. As we see in the video, we proved Pascal's law right since the water moves from one side to another using an equal force.